Assalamu alaikum.
My name is Ayesha.
And I'm Mariam. Today, our father brought us a gift that is called 14-in-1 Kit Solar Robot. Let's start it. So first,
This is the manual. And this is the tank.
there are total 14 choices that you can make any of the robot. Like, you can make these kind of.
These all what you want to make.
This
This is the solar and this is the motor.
These are the things that we have to we can.
These are the things that we can put. This is the solar and motor.
These all are the things like this and these both. We can help them make these robot parts. So let's start it. The easy way to cut with scissors is to move it up and down gently.
Finally, we have solved the parts into the zipper bags.
Hint, some parts where we can't find them, so we put it in an extra zipper bag. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Alhamdulillah, we have finished our project.
So this is walker boat which can walk by the help of sunlight. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Welcome back everybody. Alhamdulillah, we have finished our second model.
This model is called Wheel Boat. We tried to move it by help of a battery.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.